Hi, I'm Charlie Roadman, also a criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk about the timeline for an expunction, and also I'm going to talk about the timeline for a non-disclosure, which are similar types of filings. So first of all, we've got, for an expunction, if your case is dismissed, there will be a statute of limitations to wait. Now, when you're seeking a non-disclosure, okay, after you're discharged from probation, there's going to be a waiting period. Now, the times here, it could be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or in some cases you're eligible immediately, and in some cases it's longer than 5 years. It depends on what type of case you have and what happened. Now, so my advice is to call an attorney in whatever jurisdiction you're in. For example, we work in Travis County, so if you have a Travis County case, call me and we'll look it up and tell you when you're eligible to get it either expunged or non-disclosed. Now, this next period, you hire an attorney. Let's say you're ready. And then there's 2 to 6 weeks while the attorney puts together the motion and the order for the judge. Now, why does it take so long? Because we have to order the records from the clerk. We have to figure out what happened on your case, which agencies would have your information. We need to have you review it. We need a signature from you. Anyway, there's a lot of things that go into it that we're not in total control of. For example, getting information from the clerk, because sometimes these cases are old and they're already been warehoused, and so they have to physically go get the file. Anyway, we file it as soon as possible, but that can take between 2 to 6 weeks, and in some cases longer. But once we file the motion, there will be a hearing date, typically, we request the judge to sign the order. The length of time before the hearing could be 4 to 8 weeks. We're not in control of that. The judge is, right? They just tell us when their next available date is. Now, when the judge signs the order, assuming there's no problems, all the agencies are notified, hey, John Doe can get his case expunged or non-disclosed. So here you go, agencies, you need to do this. Now, they then, if an expunction, they delete or destroy the records. For a non-disclosure, they seal them. And now how long can this take? It can take 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. We check in a year to make sure that they've done it, because they're supposed to notify the clerk that they've complied. But this period of time really depends on how efficient they are at it. And some agencies do it fairly quickly, and some just have a backlog. So let's look at some takeaways from what I'm telling you here. First, always expunge or non-disclose your case. We hear from people all the time that wish they would have done it earlier, because when they want to do it, they've got a job interview coming up, or they're trying to get a new apartment or something, and they wish they would have done it right away. And I say basically anything you can get expunged or sealed, you should do it. Cases do not disappear, okay? Even dismissed cases can show up or will show up on a background check. And while it'll say dismissed, that's not as good as nothing showing up, okay? And then finally, yes, companies and apartment complexes can consider your criminal history when deciding whether to hire you or let you live in their apartment. And so again, a dismissed case is not as good as nothing showing up at all. All right, I hope this helps. Give us a call if you need any help with these types of situations.